Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela. Sivigrahara Dhananittanana Sringaratan Mandira Marjanadu. Sringara Tan Mandira Marjanadu. And so Gurudev in his trance, Samadhi, he always worships his Ishtadeva. And cleaning Mandir Marjanam means here Kunja Sevaya Mandira Marjanam. Jiva Goswami Pada written this. And externally you are what is brooming in temple, and here every time. And when devotee is coming, before coming, they cleaning. When devotee is going, again and cleaning. Again they taking prasad, again then I am laughing. Very good. They Kunja Seva. They don't know, but actually this Shastra saying, Sri Jiva Goswami Pad explained, Mandir Marjanam and Kunja Sevayam. And this is the conception of Jiva Goswami Pad. Very high level mood. Those who are Mahabhagavat, Mahabhagavat means he does not look the any gross things. Gross things, understand? Or the gross things? Follow? External things, not material, you can use this word, external things. Only he absorbed in Krishna Lila, Krishna's Lila. Understand? Sometimes also I explain. I am not explaining, Gurudev once also told. One devotee, you have the Guru, because all the stimulation coming in his heart. Who is the Uttam Bhagavat? Stimulation coming in his heart. And Uddipan. Stavar Jangam Dekhe Na Dekhe Tar Murti Jahaja Netrapade Ishtadev Spurti. Here the Na Dekhe Tar Murti. Na Dekhe Tar Murti means he does not look the external form. Understand? Only he observed in the external. And you think he looks me. Actually he does not look your external things. He looks is what thing? Internals. You are saying this. So when he looks, that time what? His ecstatic mood manifested. Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, on his lecture, you can find out, harmonist. Gurudev, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami one lecture, very humble. And he also explained, and his lecture Harikatha in the Disappearance Day of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. So, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he told, now I am feeling my separation from my Gurudev, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. But when I was staying with my Gurudev, that time my Gurudev, he also gave me so much also Labh Puja Pradhisthami, name, fame and reputation. Because he was Vinod Bihari Brahmacharya, he was excellent. And always Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he glorified about Vinod Bihari Brahmacharya. Understand? So same context, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami is saying, when my Gurudev glorified about my Seva Prachista. Seva Prachista means endeavors of my service. Understand? That time my heart very overjoyed. This is a humility, they know. Actually, this is not true. Then my heart overjoyed. Yes, I am the best servitor, Sevak. Sometimes gopis, they also very intoxicated. Sometimes gopis are thinking, when all gopis came, then all they very proud with their beauty and their activities. All they go, I am the best, I am the best. Krishna very rasic. Who is the best gopi? I want to say. Then all gopis say, hey, I am best, I am best. They are best. That time Krishna said, okay, but I will give the decision. You are based on north. Eh? Well, how will give decision? Then Krishna told, all you are Gaurangi. Gaurangi means golden complexion. Well, not golden complexion. Or you are just as like the, what is it called? And piece of gold. This thing. In this slokas also explained here. All you are as like very nice, beautiful, golden doll. Sarnamurti. Krishna told. But which Sarnamurti you are, and perfect Sarnamurti, I will be check. Then Gopi they ask, how will check? Then Krishna, look, my, what is it called, arm is as like caustic pathar. Caustic pathar, understand? Caustic stone means the one kind of special stone and blackish. And if you go to the goldsmith, they have very blackish. And if you just, what is it called, press in the gold, then one very nice, beautiful golden line will come. That time the goldsmith understand this gold is perfect or not. How much carat? You understand? Carat understand? How much? Pure gold. And 18th carat or 22 carat or 24th carat or 28, no? Last, the carat. Understand? Mane? How much purity? So in the same way Krishna told, hey Gopis, look, my hand is as like, arms is as like, that's a stone, you know, that is called caustic pathar. Golden, change, how do you call it? Calculate the carat of that stone. So I will be also what? Embrace to one by one, then I will see. Then come. Very nice, beautiful Leela. Yeah. So I am saying sometimes gopis are very proud. Their beauty, their activities. So this Leela. So now what contest I told? Bhaktivedanta Kesava Goswami Maharaj, in his lecture, he told, when my Gurudev Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada glorified about me, that time I am very proud. And my Gurudev heart also overjoyed. Well, actually, I have not this qualification. And my Gurudev, he is Mahabhagavat. Who is saying? Bhaktivedanta Kesava Goswami Maharaj. Remember, who is the speaker? And Bhaktivedanta Kesava Goswami, he said, my Gurudev Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada is Uttam Bhagavat. Uttam Bhagavat means his what? He looks everything, but not external. He looks internal. What is the internal? All the stimulation coming. So Bhaktisiddhanta Kesava Goswami Maharaj, he told very humble, actual, my heart is full of lust, anger, enviousness, all kinds of material things. And so many sewage. Sewage, understand? What is the sewage? All the bad, and what is it called? Cities, all the going out. Understand? Suez Canal you have? Where is that? Africa? And also in Manaus. You have seen or not? Who went to Manaus? You? You are there. All the cities, many kilometers. I went there. I saw that. Very dirty water, completely black and bad smell come. And mixed with Amazon. This is also Amazon river. Amazon river. So in the same way, Bhaktivedanta Kesava Goswami Maharaj is saying, actually my heart is full of sewage. And I have no qualification. My heart is very hard-hearted, as like mountain. So my Gurudev, when he looks my internal, my heart, that time he is very happy. Why? Because he looks, oh, this is not the Suez. This is the Jamuna river. He is saying this. You read this article, then you understand how his humility and glorify this. My heart is as like thunderbolt, as like mountain. And when my Gurudev, he looks my these things, that time Gurudev think, oh, this is not the sweet, this is Jabuna river, where Radha and Krishna perform sweet Leela. My Gurudev, when he saw, my heart is as like mountain, thinking, oh, this is Giriraj Govardhan. So why my Gurudev, when he looked me and happy? Well, for this reason. Because Uttam Mahabhagavat, he does not look external things. Stavar Jangam Dekhi Nadikatar Murti Jahaja Netra Pade Ishtadeve Spurti. Ishtadeve Spurti. This is the stimulation coming in his heart. Bandeki Brahmoy, E Vrindavan, Jahanadi Dekaye, Manaye Kalindi, Mahapreme, Bhasi Jai Kandi. These things. If he looks any mountain, then Giriraj Govardhan. All Govardhan Lila. If he looks any river, he is thinking this is Jabuna river. Bhaturanta Kashyapatane, Abhipatti Harini, Prekshayati Papine Opi, Papa Sindhu Tarini, Niro Madhuri Opi, Asachitta Vandini, Mangpanatu Sarvadara Vindabandhu Nandini, Harivari, Dara Yopi, Manditoru Kandava. This. If you look at it, or is he absorbed, ecstatic mood coming. If he looks very nice, beautiful, young girl, what are you thinking? Oh, how is this Gopi? Gopi. I saw somewhere one picture, one small girl, maybe 6, he giving the primary for. Have you seen or not? Where have seen? Some paper, photo has seen. What are you thinking? What do you think there? Choti se kisari mere angona me dole. And oh, this is not the small baby girl. This is what? Srimati Radhika. This mood is coming. Then externally we thinking, oh, Bhaktivinoda Swami Maharaj, and he is playing by very smile, love and affection with the small baby, Kunjesari. Actually, this mood is coming. Then once one devotee asked, if you see any ugly girl, what do you think? What stimulation will come? What stimulation will come? If you see a very nice, beautiful and young girl, you thinking this is Gopi. So Gopis are very beautiful, attractive. Understand? And if you see the Braj Gopis, then you cannot see your wife also. Right? This is true, I mean. Next day marriage ceremony, chalo, Chandramukhi, no Chandramukhi, no. Finish. So you are lucky because you are not Srimati Radhika. This is true. देखिले नयन हरे केव नहीं घरी फिर. If you take darshan to Krishna, Govinda darshan, Radhika darshan, so how possible? Other things. So this is the true also. If the she is as like, what is it called? Putana. Putana Mokshan Leela automatically. Because Mahabhagavat, this is the Siddha. Understand? But conditional soul, but those who are completely elucidated by Maya, they cannot understand. They cannot understand. Sometimes they will think, oh, Gurudev did not give respect to me. Oh, he laughed and joked me. No. He loves you. He does not look your external. Actually, this is true. Because everything we want to measurement according of our own level. If you are Kanishta Adhikari, you are thinking everybody also Kanishta Adhikari, I am Uttam Adhikari. Do you understand? Fala, what did he say?
Você é Kanishta Adhikari, você pensa que todos os devotos são Kanishta e que você mesmo é Uttam. Você é mais elevado e todos são É um nível abaixo.
Eh? Kanishta Adhikari is thinking, I am Uttam Adhikari, or everybody is what? Kanishta. Or Uttam Bhagavad, what is saying? Yeah, I am Kanishta Adhikari. Even I am not the level of any Adhikar. Eh? Everybody also Uttam Adhikari. Look, opposite way. Kanishta Adhikari or Uttam Adhikari. This is the opposite way. This thing. One thing is the Kanishta Adhikari no Uddipan. Or Uttam Adhikari is Uddipan Kami. This is the understand. Follow how this is.
Kanishta Adhikari ele não tem nenhum estímulo, nenhum dípano, mas o Uttama Adhikari está o tempo todo tendo esse tipo de visão, de estímulo.
Do you understand this? This is the actual thing. So, Madhyam Adhikari, he has discrimination power, but still he has no realization actually. Maybe little bit realization. If the Madhyam Adhikari is called Madhyam Uttam. Madhyam Uttam, he has some realization. Understand? Madhyam Adhikari 3 stages. All Vaishnavas the 3 stages. Kanishta, 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 Madhyam, Kanishta, Uttam. Then Madhyam, Kanishta, Madhyam, 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 Uttam. Say Uttam also. Madhyam, Kanishta, Uttam, Kanishta, Uttam, Madhyam or Uttam. This is the thing. What did he say? Follow. So, Madhyam Adhikari, just I am saying, Madhyam Adhikari, intermediate devotee, and if he come in the stage of Madhyam Uttam, that time he is some realization, not complete also. Not complete realization. What you will say to others? Madhyam Kanishta, some knowledge of the scripture, Shastra Gyan. Understand? So, and he, in his knowledge of the scriptures, just he also gaze. And because he is looking Shastra saying this way, this symptom, actually this is, you cannot, this is called the gaze. Gaze means Anuman. Anuman means not perfect. Just gaze. And so Shastra saying, Anuman nahe praman. Anuman is not the perfect evidence. Understand? So how will get this evidence? How will know this evidence perfect? When your realization will come. So for this regard, this sloka is coming. Nayang atma pravachana labho no medhayano bahuna suteno jame vaise brunte teno labho tasais atma vibrunte tanushama. Understand? When Krishna mercifully manifest in your heart, कृपा करके जब अनुभव करा देंगे, प्रकाश करेंगे, when Krishna mercifully manifest himself in your heart, then you realize, otherwise not. Sometimes also, Anuman. Anuman means guessing. This thing. But so far this is regarding Shastra Gyan, only the knowledge of the scriptures, this is not enough. And this is the thing. So for the Brahma ji, Gyane Prayase Madhavasa Namantaiva Jivantin Sarmukhantyam Bhavadya Bhattam Sthane Stita Shutikatang Tonuvang Navi Jo Prayasu Ajito Jito Pistalakam. Learn this verse. Follow. Who knows this verse? Raise hand. Krishna Kripa. Are you happy traveling with me? Learn some slokas. Learning or not? Not sleeping. Not sleeping. Learn. Who knows this sloka? Raise hand. Are just raise hand. Madana, follow. Follow sloka.
Gyani Prayasam Udipasam Namantaiva Jivanti Samukhartam
Bhavadya
Bhavadya Stilu
Tane Stita Shrutigatan Tonumang Navi Jo Prayaso Ajito Jito Pistoi Stilakam. And Brahmastati. You know these words? Who knows? No, only he knows. Okay, fala, Portuguese.
Esse foi sloka que Ramananda
Ramananda Rai told to
Ramananda
cheat.
Roy, ele cantou, ele perguntou para Mahaprabhu e Mahaprabhu deu um sorriso. Simplesmente abandone, não importa onde, em qual ashram, em qual situação você está, simplesmente se direcione para ouvir Harikatha do Sadhu e assim desenvolver a sua vida espiritual. Jnani Prayasam, abandone tudo e aonde você está, direcione, né, a sua face para o Sadhu para ouvir Harikatha.
If you know some slok, if I speak, then you properly to translate. Otherwise, sometimes you translate, what is that? Gaze, understand, gaze. Oh, maybe this word will be, because there are many synonyms coming. Synonym, understand? What he say?
Now, that if you don't know slokas properly, then your explanation will be just maybe guessing, because the Sanskrit verses, there are many meanings.
So, perfect translator means is what? Have to know some knowledge of the sloka. Because when I speak, I am not just I giving the some little bit purport after the sloka. But if you know the sloka, then very nicely you can also express. Translator means what? Bhashantar. Bhashantar means translate. One language to another language, then you very proper way. And very nicely you presented your translation. Understand? This is the process. This is the process. So sometimes I am saying translator should be some knowledge, not all, some knowledge. If you have no knowledge, just parrot. This is true or wrong? Sometimes maybe also wrong translation is going on. If you know the slokas, not the perfect way, then that time also, because you are using some, because synonymy coming. Synonymy means one word, many meaning coming, but which appropriate word will be applied. And if you know, then you can apply. This is the thing. So translator means very carefully. Otherwise, maybe another meaning coming, because synonymy, these things. So I request those who are translator should be learn some verses. Shamla, okay? Everybody learn. So the Gyane Prayase Mudabassa Namantaivam Jivanti Bhavadiya Vartam Sthane Stita Shutikatang Tonumang Novi Jo Prayasu Ajito Jito Vistoi Sulokam. Raramanda, he quoted this verse from Srimad Bhagavatam. Because before Mahaprabhu told, Ihavajja, external. But when Raramanda quoted this verse, that time Mahaprabhu, what did he say? Ihahoy. Ihahoy. I accept these things. Why? Because when you give up all kinds of our knowledge, here the knowledge give up, what kinds of knowledge? That three kinds of knowledge here explained. One is called Tatpadartha Gyan, the knowledge about Lord. That is Tatpadartha Gyan. Or another is called Tampadartha Gyan, knowledge about soul, Atma, Atma Gyan. Bhagavad Tattva Gyan and Atma Tattva. So use this word Tatpadartha Gyan and Tampadartha Gyan. Or another knowledge that is called Jiva Brahma Aikya Gyan, oneness with Jiva and Brahma. But the oneness with Jiva and Brahma, these types of knowledge have to reject. This is Sankar Prajari. But two types of knowledge you have to accept. Tatpadartha Gyan and Tampadartha Gyan. You understand? But when you come in the stage of Bhavadasha, that all this knowledge transfer in mood also. Follow, what did he say?
Ele está falando que existem três tipos de conhecimento. É Tattvadartha Gyan, que é o conhecimento sobre Deus. Depois Tampadartha Gyan, que é o conhecimento sobre a sua própria alma. O terceiro tipo de conhecimento é Jiva Brahma Aikya Gyan, que é o conhecimento de como se conecta com o Brahma. Conhecimento que a filosofia de Shankara, ela tem que ser rejeitada. Então Deus explicou que quando você chegar nos estágios mais elevados,
Bhavadasha.
alcançar
Actually, Bhav Dasa, he had also explained Prema Dasa. No?
Ele vai ser transformado em realização em mim.
Huh? So that means why I am saying this verse quoted. Only Shastragyan, knowledge of the scriptures, you may not understand. Need is what? Some realization. Shastragyan and simultaneously realization. That is always not the need the know the slokas. Our Guru Das Babaji Maharaj, Gurudev told. How many slokas he recited? Understand? Srila Bhakti Pragyan Kushav Goswami Maharaj, in his lecture, never he recited the whole slokas and Purna slokas. He recited first line of the slokas, Bhagavad Gita or anything, then he start to speak, explain. Understand? You read Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj article, he did not mention the whole slokas. You listen his also audio. Understand? As also Gurudev also is same. Not always the mention the slokas. The farm slokas mentioned, then he spoke. Very nice. But my Gurudev Baman Goswami Maharaj, every 2 minutes, but 2 seconds, just explain. Another slok, one by slok. If you listen his Bengali lecture, and his lecture is what? Only Sanskrit, slokas jari. Lot of slokas. Okay, if those who are very, what do you call, sharp memory, they can also quoted many slokas, this is good. But who has not these things, what to do? This is not the meaning. Just to give the explanation. As like Gaur Goswami Das Babaji Maharaj. He did not mention this sloka. But if any Pandit was speaking wrong, and hey, what is his name? In Navadvip Dham, one very learned and scholars person, what is his name? Sometimes he gave class, that time Gaur Goswami used to come and he told, hey, you are learned scholar, but you are giving the wrong explanation. Look. Then Gaur Goswami Das Babaji Maharaj explained very nicely and sweetly. Slok for the evidence only this. If you don't know slok, no problem. But you have to learn the perfect meaning or the purport of the sloka. This is the main thing. But if you know the slokas, then this is the evidence also in this. So I am saying, because when you do bhajan and sadhana, realization comes. Actual perfect realization, complete realization coming, one who comes in the stage of Uttam Bhagavat, actually Uttam Kanishta. He has complete realization. And Madhyam Kanishta, he knows slokas. Madhyam is more and Shastragyan. And Madhyam Uttam is realization coming. But realization not fully. These things. Uttam Kanishta, yes, fully realization, anubhav. These things. For this regard is stimulation coming. Savar jangam dekhe na dekhe tar murti, jaha jaha netra pade, ishta devesh. Understand? Ishta devesh spurti. Spurti means realization coming. Spurti means stimulation coming. These things. So for this guy sometimes, and neophyte devotee, Kanishta Bhakta, cannot understand the external activities of Uttam Bhagavat. Why I am saying? Because Shastra, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada also explained, everybody may understand everything according to their own level. Understand? Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada is told, I am speaking Harikatha, here 1,000 people are listening. According to their level, they understand what am I speaking. And once Srila Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada he gave a lecture in Madras, one big hall. And in the hall, all the intellectual persons understand, as a doctor, lawyer, and sharp, what do you call, brain people, they can catch, understand, intelligent people, understand, very intellectual person came, and they all completely heard, full. Then Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he gave lecture 1 hour. How many hours? 1 hour. Then after his Harikatha, then he asked that the person, intellectual person, what did he say? Do you understand? They cannot understand any words. Because they are brainy another things. Those who are doctor, lawyer, scientist, they are another track. Track, understand? They how possible to understand Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada's these transcendental things. If you tell to the neophyte devotee, you have never listened word, what word? Hladini, Sambit, Sandhini. What do you understand? What is the Sandhini? They understand or not? Nothing. But you are, I think you are many years listening same word. Sandhini. Sandhini means the platform. Receive Krishna's prem. That is called Sandhini. Sambit, what is the Sambit? Transcendental knowledge, Gyan. Or Hladini, another transcendental bliss. Transcendental bliss. But those who are completely neophyte, they have no idea. If you gave lecture about this word, they can understand. So for this regard, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, in this article says, once I gave lecture in Madras, one very nice, beautiful hall, and all the intellectual person came. They want to listen. When I asked, what do you understand? Nothing. Because they have no idea about these words. But when again and again listen, then they remember. Understand? Hladini Shakti. Hladini means phala. Transcendental bliss. Ananda. Understand these things. Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of Ananda. Hladini Sarupini. Anandamai Radha. Premamai Radha. Premer Sarup Radha, Preme Vibhahita. Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of divine love of Krishna. Krishna Prem Vibhahita. Jaha jaha nitya pade, taha Krishna's pade. And whatever she looks, he looks everywhere. Everywhere is Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. For this regard, Srimati Radhika's eyesight as like blue. She looks everywhere, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Understand? Sama. Her name is called also Sama. Krishna name is called Sam. Or Srimati Radhika's name is Sam. She looks everywhere, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. So saying, Jaha jaha netra pade, taha Krishna's pure. Wherever his eyes sight going, Krishna, Krishna. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Ananda. Understand? And Sajiv or Vishwanath Chakravarti, Jiv Goswami Padin Kansi. Kamuka pasanti kaminumai jagat. Last person, he looks everywhere here. All you are lusty. Because I am lusty, all you are lusty. Thief, what is thinking? I am thief, all you are thief also. And understand? And so according to their level, they are thinking, thief, why is stealing? Well, this is not yours. This was before mine. But you took. So I have to, anyhow, I can take back. Thief is thinking this. Thief is thinking, this property is yours. Actually, before it was not yours. This property was before my father. You, what is it called? You took my father's property. So what will do now? You are very powerful person. So I cannot to fight with you, take this property. So what will do? And I will stealing and hiding away, taking. So that means is what? Those who are, last person think everybody else. So Sanskrit word is a kamuna, what is called? Kamuka pasanti kaminamaya jagata. The whole world completely full of lust. Are the premik bhakta you are saying? No. Full of prema. Those are premik bhakta thinking this. Ishavasya sarvinam jat kinchan jagatta jag te tan bhukta are the Ishopanishad. Ishavasya sarvamidam jat kinchan jagattam jagat tene bhukta.
No,
Remember? Fala. Ishavasya sarvamidam jat kinchan jagattam tene takta bhukta ma grijya kasya siddhana. Everything belongs to Krishna. This is not yours. Before was not yours, and now also yours. Before you were this body, not. And one day also this body was not yours. This is true. Everything belongs to Krishna. This is not your wife. Before marriage, this is not yours. She was not your wife. And when she will die, also after her die, she will not your wife. Who was she? Try to understand. Before marriage, she was not your wife. And when she will die, also no more your wife. Even she is alive, divorced, you cannot say wife. Only use one word. What do you use? Ex. You can use many words. Ex-friend, ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, ex-wife, ex-husband. Could you use ex-son? No. You cannot use this one. My ex-daughter, you cannot use. Look this thing. This word is very, very important. Ex you are using everywhere. This is true. You are saying ex-friend. Before he was my friend. Now he is not more. So he is the ex. This thing. But how you would say my ex-son? Use what? Ex-mother and stepmother. Stepmother. Use this word. You are using stepmother. But stepson? When you also is called? I think I don't know. Use or not.
Step means stepson. You married someone who already have a son. So it's your stepson.
This is not yours.
Not yours. Temporary.
So, but you try to understand, Ishavasram sarvamidam jat kinchan jagattam jagat. Tena takta bhunjita magridas kasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to Krishna. Because Krishna is eternal and transcendental. And one day we leave everything. But Krishna will not leave. Krishna will not die. Transcendental things is that is called eternal and transcendent. This is true. This land, before my birth, also land was not. And after my death also, the land will be here. Many rishi, munis, many also are coming. This way. This is true. Ramchandra, he came. 1,000 years before. 24th, what is it called? Chaturjugas. And Ramchandra, he came. Same Ajodhapuri are not there. Kakate Mathurapuri ka uttara kusala. And Rupa Goswami Pada wrote these slokas. Where is Ramchandra? He came in Ajodhapuri. Ajodhapuri also there now. Now we are going to Ajodha. Who went to Ajodha with me? You. No one.
You
Eh? Who went? He John. Huh? Kagote Uttara Kusala. Ramchandra also departed. But Ajodhapuri is there. Kagote Mathurapuri. Still Mathurapuri are there not? Everything the pastimes are there. Here Mathurapuri means Mathura Mandal, Braja Mandal. Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, Giriraj, Govardhan. Krishna he came, Dapar Juga, and performed sweet Leela in Giriraj, Govardhan, Kandari in the cave of the Giriraj, Govardhan. That place is there. Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, Giriraj, Govardhan, Vrindavan, Jabuna, same Jabuna, says there. But no, Krishna is not there. In our vision we cannot see. This place is there. But, so in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also came. Same Navadvip Dham, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. Navadvip Dham is there. But we cannot see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Have you seen? No. Those are Uttam Mahabhagavas. They can see. Mahaprabhu's Lila, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. That time also very short time. Bhaktivinoda Thakur chanting holy names. Then suddenly Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Srivas Thakur, Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar Pandit, Nityananda Prabhu, thousand devotees. They took Mridanga, Kartal and dancing. Sometimes we explain or not. When Bhaktivinoda Thakur performed bhajan sadhan in Godruma. Then midnight Bhaktivinoda Thakur, then disappear. Place is there. Understand? Mayapur Dham is there. But we cannot see. But those who are Uttam Bhagavad doing bhajan and sadhan, then sometimes manifest. Kobu Bhagya Phale ki dekhunu ami baliya murchita habo. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Sometimes manifest and sometimes also disappear. Place is there. Why I am saying these things? And Krishna also says to Arjuna, hey Arjuna, listen. Now I am giving this instruction to you. Same instruction I gave to, what is his name? Vivashat Manu. Give this thing. Same instruction. And also many times also gave to you. And Krishna is doing this Leela. But you forget. I am Bhagavan. For this I did not forget. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is saying this. Read this. This instruction what I am giving, Bhagavad Gita instruction, this instruction I gave many times to you also. But you forget. Or forget. I did not forget. Bhagavan. So that means this. What is the transcendental? That is the eternal and transcendental. What is that? Atma and Paramatma. Understand? Atma and Paramatma. Bhagavan and Bhakta. And Bhakta, Bhakti, Bhagavan. The three also eternal and transcendental. Fala.
Ele está falando que Bhakta, Bhakti e Bhagavan são transcendentais, somente a nossa alma e a super-alma, a Atma e Paramatma são transcendentais.
In this body your Atma. Atma was before or now and you also future. Same Atma. Atma never change. Your body change. 20 years before you are a very small baby. This is true wrong. Now you are young, youth. Then after 60 years then you will become old or not. 70 years, 80 years you become old. Who is become old? Who became young?
Body.
This body. Body is changing. But Atma always transient. Atma never change. This is called avikaro. Avikaro. No transformation. Our body is vikar. Vikar means transformation. And one day you are very Gordo sadhu. And one day you will become Magrini sadhu. The Magrini sadhu. Then one day you will become Gordo sadhu. Feed paneer. Paneer das. Then you eat paneer. Then you will become Gordo sadhu.
Everyday paneer.
Everyday paneer.
Every day 3 times.
Everyday
Three
paneer.
Yesterday you will have paneer or not? This is true. Some person also taking many kinds of food, but not Gordo sadhu. Or some person also not eating, also Gordo sadhu. I will say also this is true. Always that means that he is eating means fat, but he is not eating means he is Magrini. You cannot say this. Some also their nature. That is called body structure.
Yeah.
I don't know your body structure is always margin, na? Margin. So if you eat, never will become Gordo. But Atma is what? Atma is eternal. Atma never Gordo or never Margin. This is true. This thing. Krishna also never Gordo or never Krishna. You are transcendent. This is the thing. And Gaur Premanande. Now 7:30. Chalo. Hari